Hey, what's up everyone? So this is a short video with a cool business idea. I hope you're going to like that, and it's combine a few things in marketing. One of them called real-time marketing. So I don't know if you know, I'm guessing you do. Alex Hormozi made a huge event one day ago, I think it was, where he did like a huge event with like 500,000 people. Pretty crazy. I think it was yesterday. Now everyone speak about Alex Hormozi. He's the big thing and he's genius, I must say. And just to show you also his growth, he knows what he's doing, and people are keep following him. Especially you can see like the jumps over here as he like now did the live event. So just an idea. Let me know what you think about this business idea. Let's say let's imagine we can take Alex Hormozi's verified profile, so we cannot really see all of his followers, right? But we have the solution for that using Give Me Data. So let's say Hormozi. Let's say I'm going to scrape 10,000 of his followers, okay, of Alex Hormozi followers, and I'm sure if they are like their followers, they saw their ad, they saw his post, so everything about him. So I'm going to take 10,000 followers, and I'm going to scrape 10,000 of his followers super fast. You will see it will take me maybe a minute or two. Then after I get all of his followers, what I can do to monetize that, I can actually do a few things. One of the ideas that going into my mind, it's like basically to try to reach out to these people and to try to get them as followers, and then send them some DM with some stuff about Alex Hormozi. So for example, I can get his followers, and then after they're like following me, I can actually DM them and tell them like, hey, I saw like you following Alex Hormozi, me too. His book is great. Maybe you can even do some affiliate marketing. I don't know if he's doing affiliate because I see now he's selling the books over here. So just to let you know, I got like a special discount to his book, and his book, instead of like $346, it's like $100, it costs $99.99. Here is the link. And then you can actually use it from your own Instagram account if you want, or you can build an Instagram account. Now, how we can really do that? Using a tool called sharing tools. So I don't know if you know, but if you watched my other videos, you can use sharing tools to grow your account and to engage with, for example, Alex Hormozi followers and Alex Hormozi likers, and I can even get all of the specific users here, and I can reach out and I can interact only with them. When I'm saying interact, I mean like to follow them, to like their stories, to make them notice my account. And then what I can do, I can use another tool on sharing tools called Welcome DM, where I actually send a DM to every new follower. And then on this DM, I can even do like a few types of messages. I can do like, hey, and then I can use this token. That means it will be the first name of the user. Are you from the Hormozis? They have like this kind of name of defense. Me too, mate. Just to let you know. No, sorry. And then I can make some copy. Now, I'm not so good with the English. As you can see, my English is really shitty, but you have the ChatGPT, so you can also ask ChatGPT, please, of course, ChatGPT 4, please write for me 3 different Instagram DMs to my new followers, which also following Alex Hormozi, and I want them to buy his book for my affiliate link. Make it short, cool, and funny. Okay, then you can take these kind of messages. Of course, you can tweak it, you can change it, and so on. So this is what you can do. Just an idea. I know it's like pretty short video. Maybe it's even YouTube Shorts. It's not that long, but just an idea. Now, of course, you can do it with many other stuff. I just give you the example of Alex Hormozi. You can do it with other entrepreneurs. You can do it with other business, like, I don't know, Coca-Cola, and you can sell something of Coca-Cola, or you can connect your product or your service to Coca-Cola fans, for example. There is no limit about the things you can do. I just want to give you this idea because it just pops out to my mind, and I said, oh, this is cool. like maybe some people can do that and enjoy this kind of like the hype on Hormozi, and also like you can of course bring in more traffic because I'm sure he did some affiliate marketing over here, and you can sell the books for him and get a fee, or maybe didn't. I don't know, but yeah, so this is the idea. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you want me to make a detailed video about that and to show you even more. I would love to do that. Thank you guys. Bye bye.